Hello everyone, once again welcome to SAP2000 video tutorial. In this video we are going to draw the frame or cable or tendon type structure. So suppose that we have a structure like this, so we can edit the grid lines from here. As you can see, I'll close these things. So now suppose we have predefined structures. So to define the frame structure, we'll go to draw toolbar. So from here, as you can see, the first four options we have to define the frame, cable or tendon. So we can use any one of them. I will use this one, draw frame or cable tendon. After that, we have properties of object window. So from here we can select this section what we have defined from the define toolbar. So from here we have the F section default. I didn't define any structure, so I will select this one, default. After that we have option moment release, is it continuous or pinned. Now I will select continuous. After that we are going to define this frame on the structure. So how we can do that? So F section is like beam and columns. So from the right window we can see that we have 3D view. So this side is XZ view and this side is YZ view and this is our top view. So to define the beam and column, I'll go to XZ view. So from here I will select exit view. So I'm now on the exit plane. So from here in this side we can also see the exit plane is active now. So from here we can start the drawing of the frame. So I will start from this point and here I'll click once again. Then I will just continue to draw the frames. If we right click on the point, then we can escape from the drawing cable. We can start from a new place. If we double click on the point, we can also escape. So we have two options to escape: double left click or right click. So I'll close this window. Now as you can see, the right side of the structure exit plane has been defined the frame. What we are going to do now I will just replicate these structures to the other side. So I will select all of them. After that we'll go to edit button and then replicate. So in which direction we are going to replicate this one? I mean copy in the Y direction. So we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 frames to the Y direction. And what is the length between this? It was 6 meters. So in the Y direction 6 meters and the number will be 3 as we have counted, and then we'll click on apply. So as you can see, the frames have been replicated. Okay, so it is super easy way to replicate or to define the frames. Now we'll go to YZ plane. So this is our YZ plane. From here we're going to define the frame once again. So we have also the shortcut of the draw frame cable here, as we have discussed earlier. So we have here draw frame cable and so on. These 4 things are to draw the frame cable. So now I'm going to use this draw cable toolbar. From here I'm going to draw the beams to the YZ view. So I have drawn the beams to the YZ view. Now once again I'm going to replicate these beams to the other side. So first I'll select them and we'll go to edit, replicate. Now we are going to replicate these beams to the X direction, but as our global coordinate system X is to the right side and we are going to replicate these beams to the left side. So we'll input dx minus 6 meters and dy will be 0 and number once again it will be 3. Then we'll click on apply. The beams have been replicated, as you can see. Now we can close this window. So in this way we can draw the cable or frame or tendon. I hope this video helped you a lot. In the next video we'll see how to draw the area structures. Until then.